In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Step 1, since the Spotify app on iPhone doesn't allow you to buy premium directly, you'll need to do it through your browser. Open Safari or any browser you prefer. Type in spotify.com, hit search, and go to the official Spotify website. Step 2, then log into your Spotify account. Once the site loads, tap the 3-line menu in the top right corner. Select login, enter your email and password to access your Spotify account. Step 3, access the premium option. After logging in, tap the gear icon or your profile menu in the top right corner. Now tap on the premium option. Here you'll see Spotify's current premium offer. Step 4, choose the premium plan. Right now, Spotify might be offering a free trial, like get 2 months of Spotify Premium for $0.00. Get started to begin the subscription process. You'll see a plan summary, 2 months free. After that, $1.00/month or regional pricing. You can cancel anytime. Spotify will remind you 7 days before billing. Step 5, then at last, add your payment method. Choose your preferred payment method, credit card, debit card, PayPal. Enter the required billing details, tap complete purchase. That's it. You now have Spotify Premium activated on your iPhone.